People keep asking us if we think the housing market will crash here in Seattle, and I understand it's a valid question, it's a concern because things have been shooting up, and after 2008 we're all a little bit gun shy about what comes next. So my name's Emily Cressey. I'm both a real estate investor, have been for 18 years, also a real estate broker here in Seattle with HomeSmart. And when I was in school, I studied economics, and I'm kind of geeky, dorky, nerdy type of person when it comes to the numbers. So let's take a look at the data and see what that tells us about this situation and how it compares to a setup, whether we're likely to see a market crash or not. So last year, in 2020, the market was up 5.6% over 2009, according to the National Association of Realtors. And here's a graph of what experts are forecasting for the year to come. Looking at these sources, they are predicting a 5% increase in values for the year, which is another very strong market. Remember, this is nationwide data. Looking at it from a different perspective, real estate analytics company CORELOGIC said that prices increased 9.2% in 2020, which is unbelievably huge. And the real driver for that was the low interest rates. If people can afford a certain payment, then they tend to max out their budget. And when low interest rates are on the scene, that means they can pay a lot more for the same type of house. This year, we're expecting to see interest rates remain low, between 2.9% and 3.2%, which should keep buyer interest very high. We also are seeing that loan underwriting is solid. People have equity in their homes. And so we don't have the same underlying fundamental problems that we have had in past months. We also have very low inventory on the market, which is a natural thing that you would expect when we're seeing housing prices rise. Nationwide, there are about 2 months of inventory on the market. In the city of Seattle, there's about 1 month. And in some of the neighborhoods I've been looking at lately in North Seattle, we're at about half a month inventory. So we just don't have a lot of homes on the marketplace. Now, why is that? Is that good or bad? The low inventory combined with high buyer demand is what's pushing up the prices. So as things settle down, for example, let's look at why people aren't selling their homes right now. 31% say it's because of financial uncertainty. 24% say it's because of the health concerns that have been going on. And then another third say it's because life is just too uncertain right now. So hopefully as things begin to open back up, we kind of go back to normal, we will see these people who have not been releasing their homes to the market come out of the woodwork, and that should bring up inventory levels, the number of homes available, so that we can then start to have a better balance between supply and demand. And Seattle's always been a hot market, but this is an extreme situation. So if you are thinking about selling, this is a great time. You can set your price and terms, you can negotiate for anything and everything you want, selling your home at top dollar. So let me know if you have questions. You can reach out to us at HomeProAssociates.com. Feel free to visit our YouTube channel. You can actually see the other videos in the series about home seller tips and what's going on in the market right now. And we would love to help you because we are here to serve and educate. When you do what you love, people love what you do. And of course, if you're in the Shoreline area, Shoreline, Washington, 98155, 98133, 98177, we are specialists, and we're very much here to serve and look forward to speaking with you.